In this video of website training, we're going to learn how to add items to your cart and then proceed to purchase. Whether you've added products by using the products dropdowns, using the advanced search or filters, you will end up on a product page that looks like this. Make sure you've got the correct quantity you would like to add and pick the correct size. Then click Add to Cart. To easily access your cart, go to the top of the page and click the My Cart button. This will pull up a pop-up that shows the items in your cart. Here, you can easily delete items from the cart. You can also view your full cart. In this view of your cart, you can share your cart. Just type in your name and recipient email addresses, and they will receive an email with your cart. You can delete items by using the red X in the corner, or update your quantity. Just make sure to press Update. In this view, you can also add coupons and estimate your shipping and tax. Below this, you'll find your cart summary. Then you can press Proceed to Checkout once all of your edits are made. This will take you to the checkout window. Here, you can make sure you have the correct shipping address, shipping method. You can also add coupons in this window. You can check if your payment information is correct, and billing address. You can also add comments to your order. Below, you will find your shopping cart. Here's your final opportunity to adjust the quantity or delete items. Once you're ready, click Place Order.